Hello there, Rafi here, Preferred Plumbing. Okay, common question, the famous question, can I install a toilet myself? Well, the short answer is yes. Some may say no. I'll give you a little bit of the ins and outs. Anybody can do anything. Can you shovel your own driveway? Absolutely. Do people pay for snow plows and for snow removal services? Yes. Can you cut your own grass? Yes, I can. Do people pay for lawn care? Yes, they do. So, installing a toilet is far more complex than cutting your grass or shoveling your driveway. But can you do it yourself? Yes, you can. Why do we call in professionals to do things? Because they've done it over and over and over again and have taken a focused interest in becoming exceptional at what they do. So if everything goes right, anybody can do anything. When things go wrong and when you have issues, that's when you really wish you had a professional. Okay, there is removing all the water from the toilet. There's disconnecting the water supply. There's disconnecting the hardware where the bowl meets the floor. There's safely removing the entire fixture and removing it from your home safely without dropping it, hurting anybody, scraping anything in the home. There's inspecting the flange. There's replacing the gasket. There's ensuring that the emergency stop valve is working well, replacing it if needed, which I would not recommend you do as a homeowner. And then there's installing the new toilet, putting the right gasket in, using the right supply line. Is there enough give on that gasket? Is there enough compression on that gasket? Is it tight enough? Is the toilet seat on properly? Is the tank to bowl assembled well? Is the supply line tight enough? I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just letting you know, even though the concept of installing a toilet appears to be quite simple and straightforward, there's a lot of little details and intricacies that for people like us as professionals, no problem. But as a novice, you may find some problems and some complications. So again, give us a call. We'd love to help you out. 905-597-8555. Again, this is Rafi from Preferred Plumbing. Take care and stay safe.